So, you've got a business report to tackle, huh? Well, lucky for you, I've got the perfect tool to make your life a whole lot easier: Google Docs. Let me show you how to use it like a pro. First things first, open up Google Docs and create a new document. Simple, right? Now, let's talk formatting. Headings, subheadings, and bullet points are your best friends here. They'll help you organize your report and make it look super professional. Next, collaboration is key. With Google Docs, you can invite your team members to edit and comment on the document in real time. No more endless email chains or confusing version control. It's all right there, in one place. Now, let's talk about visuals. Google Docs allows you to insert images, charts, and even videos into your report. Spice things up and make your data come to life. Trust me, your audience will thank you. And finally, don't forget about sharing and exporting. Once your report is ready, you can easily share it with others via a link or even download it as a PDF. It's all about convenience and flexibility. So, there you have it, a quick rundown on how to use Google Docs for your business reports. It's a game changer, my friends. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Happy reporting!